Yes, I spoke about that and actually continued where I stopped last year. So I was speaking about the new data that we obtained with the immunogenetic and somatic gene analysis, looking into a population cohort, pre-diagnostic samples from individuals that eventually developed CLL and also lymphomas. And so I updated the data that I showed last time, now including much more cases, especially on different types of lymphomas, and also highlighting the occurrence of certain somatic gene events already early on in the pre-diagnostic samples that were taken in those individuals, showing already subclonal mutations in, for example, Notch1, that finally appeared also to be present in the CLL clone and later on in the Richter transformation stage of the CLLs. But my actual contribution of the novel testing approach today was more on proteomics, plasma protein analysis, using data available in the population cohort that we could analyze for that matter, by which we could already identify, again in the pre-diagnostic samples, proteins that would associate with the risk of developing certain lymphoma subtypes.